Hello everyone, in today's lecture we are going to see the topic is HTML list. So there are two types of list present in HTML. First one is ordered list and second one is unordered list. First we will see ordered list. Okay, so ordered list क्या करता है? It shows the element in sequence. You can see here 1 2 3 4, that is sequence format, right? So ordered list shows the elements in sequence format, that is 1 2 3 4 or ABCD likewise. Okay, so to create an ordered list we have to use OL tag. Okay, OL, ordered list. Then the list items start with LI tag. So यहाँ पे दिख रहा है सबको 1 2 3 4 and these are the list items. Okay, so अगर हमें list items create करने हैं so we have to use LI tag compulsory. Then every tag has an attribute in HTML. So the type attribute of OL tag defines the type of लिस्ट आइटम मार्कर. जैसे यहाँ पे हमें फॉर्मेट कौन सा दिख रहा है 1 2 3 4. ओके, आइटम मार्कर इज नथिंग बट कौन से सीक्वेंस में, कौन से नंबर फॉर्मेट में या फिर अल्फ़ाबेटिकल या फिर न्यूमेरिकल फॉर्मेट में हमें वो वाले लिस्ट आइटम्स डिस्प्ले करने हैं. ओके, सो वी विल सी अ शॉर्ट प्रोग्राम सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट एंड टाइप एंड देयर वैल्यूज. Okay, so I have written here program for ordered list. Program always start with HTML head. The basic structure is must needed. So HTML head, title, I have written ordered list, then title close, head close, then body tag, it's a compulsory tag. Then two attributes of body tag, that is BG color and text. I have written the value of BG color is yellow and text is red. Then H1 for displaying a heading, then H1 close. Then I have started a ordered list, so I have written OL tag. Okay, so we will see first the output of this program. Okay, you can see here side by side, this is the program and this is the output. So first I have written simple list, that is OL, then LI, three list items, then OL close. So what does the code does is simply OL nothing. I have nothing written here, that is type. I have not written the attribute here. Simple OL tag, OL close, and in between the list items. Okay, so you can see here 1 2 3, that means the type is 1 2 3. When you don't write type attribute here, it takes the by default value as 1 2 3 4 format, that is numerical format, correct? Then in second I have written type is equal to A. Okay, capital A. So you can see here the output, the ordered list start with capital A B C likewise. Okay, then next I have written the value of type is equal to small a. So correspondingly you can see the output here, the format is small a b c. Okay, then the fourth one is OL type is equal to capital I. Okay, so capital I, that means there is a Roman number, Roman capital number. Okay, so you can see here Roman I, then Roman 2 number, 3 number. Okay, then last one is small Roman I. OL type is equal to small I. Okay, so you can see here small I, then 2 3 Roman, small Roman numbers. Okay, then simply we have closed the body and close HTML. So there are total 5 values of type attributes. Type attribute, the first value of type attribute is 1. Okay, that is by default. So ये क्या करने वाला है, this list items will be numbered with numbers, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, then ये second value of type is capital A. So the list items will be numbered in a uppercase letters when we write type is equal to capital A. Next is type is equal to small a. the list items will be numbered with lowercase letters. The next value is capital I. Type is equal to capital I. The list items will be numbered with uppercase Roman numbers. And the last but not the least, that is small I. Type is equal to small I. The list items will be numbered with lowercase Roman numbers. Okay. So we have done with the ordered list. So ordered list क्या क्या करेगा, जो भी हमारी लिस्ट हम लोग क्रिएट करने वाले हैं वो एक सीक्वेंस में क्रिएट करेगा. दैट इज इन format of 1 2 3 4 or an alphabetical A B C D likewise. Okay, then next we will see unordered list. Okay, so unordered list shows the bulleted list. So what do you mean by bulleted list? You can see here a circle. Yes, that's are nothing but the bullets. Okay, so when we are write an unordered list, we have to use UL tag. What do you mean by UL tag? U for unordered and L for list. Okay, we have seen the ordered list previously. Okay, so displaying the list items, which tag we use? Li tag. Similarly, in unordered list we also have to use the Li tag. We have written here. Okay, so Li tag is common in ordered list also, in unordered list also. Why? Because we have to display the list items, correct? So we have to use Li compulsory. Then the type attribute of OL tag defines the type of list item marker. So यहाँ पे types के values भी होने वाले हैं. Okay, so we will see a short program. तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि कौन से types है, कौन से values हैं and वो कैसे work करते हैं. ओके, ये है मेरा UL का प्रोग्राम एंड सिमिलरली हियर द आउटपुट. सो माय प्रोग्राम, our program, HTML program is always start with basic structure, that is HTML head, then title. I have written here unordered list, then title close, head close, then body, bg color, text. Okay, all have written. Then I have used one heading, that is this is unordered list. Then you can see here is a disk, here is a square and here circle, right? So these are the values of type attribute. So you can see here UL, I have written UL, that is UL tag, then type attribute, and first value of type is disk. So when you write type is equal to disk, then आपका output कैसे display होने वाला है? In disk form. Okay, you can see here disk. Then I have written the 3 list items, then UL close. Then second is square. I have written here type is equal to square. So you can see in output square are displayed. So then I have written again the 3 list items, then UL close. Then third type is circle. Okay, type is equal to circle. So you can see here circles are displaying. Then again 3 list items, UL close, body close and HTML close. Then in unordered list there are 3 values of type attribute. First is disk, second is circle, and third is square. So when you are going to write type is equal to disk, it will show circle. Okay, fulfill circle. Then when you are going to write type is equal to square, it sets the list items marker to a square. When you write the type is equal to circle, it sets the list items marker to a circle. Okay, so हमारे types भी हो चुके हैं, ordered list and unordered list भी हो चुका है. So if you have any doubt, you can comment below, and the notes of these topics are in the description box. So you can simply click on the link and you will get the nodes of ordered list and unordered list. Okay, so that's it for today.